Assalamualaikum viewers. My name is Sarah Kveer and I am a foundation level student at Rehan School Islamabad campus. जैसे कि आप जानते हैं हम रोज एक न्यू टेडेक्स टॉक के साथ आते हैं, तो आज भी हम एक टेडेक्स टॉक के साथ आए हैं। तो आज जो हम टेडेक्स टॉक करेंगे उसका टॉपिक है अ न्यू टुमारो और स्पीकर नेम है रिदा शाह। तो आज हम उनके बारे में आपको कुछ मेन पॉइंट बताएंगे। Vida Shah talk encourages us to believe in ourselves, act bravely, and take small compassionate steps toward a better future. She teaches that creativity, kindness, and persistent effort, even without attention, can spark true transformation. Her message is both hopeful and practical. Every positive choice helps shape tomorrow. You are the beginning of that change. Acts of kindness, however small, contribute to hope and collective well being. Having a dream or clear goal helps guide what you do every day. Your courage inspires others even when you think they are not watching. Rida's message: do not postpone, start making a difference now. Believe in yourself. Do not be afraid of failure. Small actions can bring big change. Be kind to others. Start today, not tomorrow. Never give up on your dreams. Change begins with you. Think positive always. Learn from your mistakes. Inspires others by our actions. Take responsibility for your future. Creativity makes life better. Courage is stronger than fear. Hope gives us power. Together we can build a better tomorrow. So this is my TEDx talk. So viewer, I hope like it. ये थी आज की हमारी छोटी सी TEDx। तो मिलते हैं किसी नेक्स्ट TEDx टॉक में। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज। रेहान स्कूल इस्लामाबाद कैंपस।